Dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So today I am going to start a new topic of give and take, that is subtraction using number line. So today we are going to learn the topic that is subtraction using number line. So let's start. First we will learn that what is number line. Number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. That means number line means a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals. Intervals means the gap between two numbers. See the example. Here I have drawn a line, but I have given two arrows in the side. Why I have given these arrows? Can you tell me? Here we are talking about line, number line. So line means you know that we can extend the both direction infinitely or endlessly. For that reason you have to give two arrows in two sides. See, here already we have learned what is number line. Now we are going to learn how to plot a number in number line. See, first here I have given an example. See, let's plot a number 6 on the number line. The first step is you have to draw the line and you have to give the arrows in both sides. Why we need to give the arrows? You know that we can extend the line in both the direction. For that reason we have to put arrows. So after giving the arrows you can give the dot. You can make the equal gapping, like the equal distance you can measure. You can take the help of your ruler and you can take the units between the interval between two numbers. And then you have to put the numbers. Place the numbers. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After placing the numbers, we need to find out 6. So you can count by steps. You can count the steps and you can go to 6 and then you can mark it, or you can easily check that it is 6, so we can mark it, and this is the plotting of a number. Let us learn subtraction using number line. The first question is you have to subtract 5 from 8. So using number line. So I have shown here two methods. Which method you like most, you can do it. So first method, let us talk about the first method. In first method, see, as it is written 8 minus 5 equals to question mark. So we have to first draw the line, then we have to place the numbers. Then I have marked from 0 to 8. Then I have count back. I have started counting from 8 and I have count back to 5. Then I have got how many steps I have count back? 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 3. This is the first method. Now let us start our second method. Before going to start the second method, here the procedure is different. See, we have to choose the smallest one first among the given numbers. So here 8 and 5, among 8 and 5, 5 is the smallest one. So 5, we have to start from 5, then we have to count up to 8, the bigger one. How many steps are there? 1, 2 and 3. So mark the steps by, I have marked the steps by plus 1. Means as the gap between two numbers is 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. 3 steps I have to move to go to 8. So now we have to add these ones. How many ones are there? 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. So this is the answer. The second question, that is also subtraction using number line. I have chosen the method, second method, because it will be easier. You can choose the first method also, no problem in it. See, 10 minus 8 equals to question mark is given. First of all, in the second method, what we have learned? We have learned that we have to choose the smaller one first. Here, the smaller one is 8 because we have to subtract 8 from 10. So, the smaller one will be 8. So, first of all, we need to draw the line, straight line. We have to give the arrows in both sides. Then, we have to place the numbers. As we are taking the gap between two numbers is 1 unit. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have placed here. Now, I have to, from 8, we have to move to 10. As we are subtracting, so we have to count the steps. So, from 8 to 9, it is 1 step. So, I have written here plus 1. 9 to 10, it is plus 1. That means 1 step. So, how many steps are there? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So, the answer is 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Now, let's start our third question. Just look at the question. We have to subtract 5 from 9. So, the smallest one is 5 here. Now, just first of all, we need to draw the line. Then, we have to give the arrow in the both sides. Then, we have to dot, means we have to mark the numbers, place the numbers. Then, maintain the distance between two numbers that should be same unit, means same length. 0 to 1, which length? That will be followed for 1 to 2. So, the length between two numbers should be same. Now, first of all, we need to choose the smallest one. The smallest number is 5 here. Between 9 and 5, the smallest is 5. So, from 5, we have to start moving to 9. So, how many steps are there? 4 steps. So, from 5 to 6, it is 1. 6 to 7, it is 1. 7 to 8, 1 step. 8 to 9, 1 step. So, how many steps are there? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means how many ones are there? 4 ones are there. So, that means 4. So, the result is 4. We are going to learn the subtraction for the bigger numbers using number line. Here the question is, we have to subtract 14 from 19. So, what I have done here, see, I have started with the number 14. This is my starting point. See, when I draw the line, that time I have not placed 0, 1, 2, 3 because it is not necessary here. So, and as I have given the arrows, this indicates that we can write the numbers also. But as we have not enough space in copy, that's why I have started with 14. So, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This much we can write. Then, how many ones are involved? Just mark it. Then, you have to add it. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means 5. So, the answer is 19 minus 14 equals to 5. It is also for the bigger number subtraction. We have to subtract 18 from 30. See, it is very large amount for so as we are subtracting the large numbers, so we have to start with small number, that is 18. Then we have to subtract it from 30. So as the numbers, if we want to write from 18 to 30 in one gap unit, then it will be impossible. So I have taken the gap between two numbers is 2. So 18, then 20, then 22, then 24, then 26, then 28, then 30 I have written, as I have taken the gap between two numbers is 2. So how many 2's are there? Just add it. That is the answer. So 30 minus 18 equals to 12. Last question. It is also very large number subtraction. 43 minus 13 means we have to subtract 13 from 43. See, first of all, what I have done, I have started with 13. But if I take the gap 2, then it is also very large number. So we cannot put all the numbers. I have taken the gap 10. So you have to think in this way that how to take the gap. See, I have taken the gap 10 and I have got that After 13, 23, then 33, then 43. So the answer is 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 30. So the answer is 43 minus 13 equals to 30. Okay. So in this way you can solve it, but must give the arrow sign in both the direction whenever you are starting with another number, not started with 0. So that time must place the arrow sign. The homework, you have to read the question and you have to answer it in my comment section, in this comment section. Some of you have given the answers in another zone, so please give the answer in the comment box. That will be helpful for me. So just copy the question and do it, and then you answer it in the comment section. These are the third and fourth questions. So check it and do it in your copy, and just write the answers in this comment section. So till then, and do let me know that how much you have learned and how much you have enjoyed this class. So thank you. Till then, bye bye.